are making stuffing. And I made this channel so that you kids at home could know how to bake and cook and all this. So let's hop right into it. You need a microwave safe bowl. Microwave safe. It should say on the bottom or on the side or something like that. And you need a half stick of butter or 1/4 a cup of butter. Yeah, that's a lot of butter. And then you're going to get your stuffing pouch. I do not know how I did not see that. Just has your stuffing. Stuffing is a good entree or side. Usually a side, but it is also a good main dish. If you know. Scissor power. Okay. You can see it kind of looks a little different because I have cornbread stuffing. It kind of just looks like chocolate cornbread pieces. That's all right. Then you're gonna take 1.5 cups of water, cool water. And then, let's get our box. And then we are going to put it in the microwave. I'm actually just gonna give it a tiny little stir just to get like all that seasoning and stuff. They put a lot of seasoning in these things. So then you are going to put it in the microwave on high for 5 to 6 minutes. Take this time to like and subscribe and comment down below if you guys like this Thanksgiving. Now we're gonna take it out. Oh, I need another one of these. To go on here because I have a marble countertop. And that'll like do something very bad to it. Not really sure what that is, but my microwave broke. Everything is fine. Don't worry. Now we fluff it with a fork. You can see that it's actually cooked really well in the microwave. We probably don't need to put it on any longer, even though it said that you could if you wanted to, but I don't think we have to. Yes, look how fluffy that is. This is also a good meal if like your parents might be like, you're home alone, maybe like you can just have this for a good thing. I should have blown on that. Delicious.